Hello everyone. Welcome to this channel. Today, we will learn easy English by looking at a simple room. Now, let us begin. What is this? This is a room. This is my room. What is this? This is a bed. This is my bed. What is this? This is a mattress. It is soft. What is this? This is a pillow. I sleep on it. What is this? This is a bed sheet. It is clean. What is this? This is a blanket. It keeps me warm. What is this? This is a bedside table. It is near the bed. What is this? This is a lamp. It gives light. What is this? This is a window. It is open. What is this? This is a curtain. It is on the window. What is this? This is a door. It is closed. What is this? This is a door handle. I open the door. What is this? This is a lock. It keeps us safe. What is this? This is a wall. It is strong. What is this? This is the floor. We walk here. What is this? This is a doormat. It is near the door. What is this? This is a carpet. It is on the floor. What is this? This is a rug. It feels soft. What is this? This is the ceiling. It is above us. What is this? This is a fan. It gives air. What is this? This is a light. It is bright. What is this? This is a study table. It is useful. What is this? This is a chair. I sit here. What is this? This is a cupboard. I keep clothes here. What is this? This is a wardrobe. It is big. What is this? This is a drawer. It is inside. What is this? This is a shelf. Books are here. What is this? This is a mirror. I see myself. What is this? This is a laptop. I study on it.